nothing.
Oh gosh, that's 24 already. I feel like that's low.
That's low? Well, I don't know. Okay, thank you. Leave the lights. Daddy needs them. Well, like, they can fly, but not that high, right?
Level. You can fly out. Roll.
Oh, that makes sense.
It's not, they won't roll out, but...
Yeah, I know if they hit them or whatever.
Don't kick them out.
Yeah, exactly. Alex, Daddy can't see. You gotta turn on the light. Oh, now you go kick us right out. Yeah, don't give me your big fat lip.
Okay, 24 is there.
So we're like in the middle.
Well, 18's like here.
Yeah.
Feel like that's...
Yeah. Well, high enough too, so things don't get in it if they were to get. Although they kill all our chickens, but. Hey guys! So, we've got the chickens. I'm going in. I'm in the barn now. It's my first time. I'm gonna go see them. I've got the little guy who I think is gonna be scared. I can hear them. So we're gonna go check them out. Hi guys! Hi guys! Hurry up! Oh, look at... Careful, Alex, go slow. Oh, we don't want to scare them. Hi guys! Hi! Hi! It's okay, I know, we're bugging you, sorry. Hi! Hi, ladies! They're already in the roost, which is awesome. We're probably bugging them because they're probably trying to lay or just figure things out. But we got 8 of them. Do you see that? Do you hear that? Oh,
Gigi.
she's trying to lay an egg. She's in the nesting box to lay an egg.
Gigi.
We should probably not bother them in case they're gonna lay eggs. Should we get out now?
Yeah.
Just in case, because